How to create an account to play AION 2. First, you will need to head to this website, and the links are going to be in the description. And then click on the login button on the top right. Now you will need to sign in or create an account. You can also use these services right here, such as Gmail, or you can click on the sign up button right here and then click on sign up with email address. Now you will need to select the country, and you will need to enter your date of birth and click on these confirmation buttons to confirm to the terms of service. Click on next, and then click on confirm. Now you will need to enter your email address and then click on send verification email to receive a code. You should get an email like this. You can just copy the code and paste it here and then click on confirm verification code. Now you will need to enter a password for your account and then press next. Now the sign up is completed. You can click on getting started button and then sign into your newly created account. You will be redirected to this page. Now check all of these boxes and click on the button right here. And then click on the button again. It should give you a code that you can redeem when the game is out. So you can copy it and save it somewhere to use it later. Next, what you need to do is you'll need to go to nc.com and download the purple client. And then click on download Windows version. And it should start downloading the purple installer. Now after installing the purple client, you will need to run it. You can search for purple here in the start menu and open it up. And then click on login with email if you created your account manually, or you can use Google if you used Google earlier. So I'm going to click on login with email. And then you will need to type your email and password to sign in. Now once you've signed in, the launcher should look like this. You should go to the store and then scroll down and you should be able to see AION 2 pre-register. Just click on view more and then scroll down and click on the purple button right here that says early installation scheduled, and then it should basically ask you to confirm. Click on OK and you're pretty much done at this point. Now the installation should start as soon as the game is available to download. And while the purple client is running, it should automatically start downloading the game. The game should be releasing in 4 days. And once the download is complete, you should find a play button right here that you can press it to start the game up. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.